87,000 followers, 72.4 million views, and another 63.8 million views, all from a single Instagram page uploading simple plant growth videos. This type of content keeps going viral because it's incredibly satisfying to watch, relaxing, and almost impossible to scroll past. The best part? With AI, you can create videos like these in just a few minutes, even if you've never edited a video before. Let me show you the complete process. Let's jump straight into it. If you enjoy AI content like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. First, check the link in the description and open the prompt document. Copy the entire prompt carefully and paste it into ChatGPT. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of different plants. Simply choose the one you like by typing its number. It will then generate a complete, copy-ready prompt for that specific plant growth video, including suggested sound effects and audio details. Next, open Google Flow. Switch to the video generation section. Select Omni Flash as the model, and set the video duration to 8 to 10 seconds. Paste the prompt, click Generate, and let AI do the work. In a short time, you'll have a smooth, eye-catching plant growth video that's perfect for social media. Here's another example I created using the exact same workflow. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI content creation tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.